Welcome to the Offer and Waitlist Myschools tutorial for middle and high school admissions. We're going to go over how to log into Myschools, view your child's offer, view the waitlist your child is on, add your child to new waitlists, and respond to a waitlist offer. In order to log into Myschools, go to myschools.nyc and click on the login button at the top right of the screen. Here, you'll enter in your email and password and click the Next button. If you forgot your password, all you have to do is scroll to the bottom of the login screen and click the Forgot Your Password option to get a new one. Simply add in your email address and click the Next button. An email will be sent to your account giving you steps in order to change your password. To view your child's offer, scroll to the bottom of your dashboard and select the View Results and Waitlist option. On the Overview page, you'll be able to see your child's current offer as well as download a results letter to keep for your records by clicking the View Results Letter button. To view your child's waitlisted programs, click the Waitlist tab at the top left side of the screen. On the Waitlist page, you'll be able to see your child's current offer as well as any programs that your child is waitlisted for. Here, on the left side, under Frank's Waitlist, you're actually able to see the waitlist position as well as the priority group that your child is in. Schools have different waitlists for general education and students with disabilities. If your child is a general education student, your priority group will be GE applicant. If your child is a student with disability, your priority group will be SWD applicant. As you can see, this student is on 4 different waitlists, and the waitlist position for each of those waitlists are available. If you're interested in adding your child to additional waitlists, you can scroll to the bottom of the waitlist page and search for the program in the search bar. Click the program when it appears, and your child will be added to the waitlist. If you're interested in adding your child to an additional waitlist, you can scroll to the bottom of the waitlist page and search for the program in the search bar. Click the program when it appears, and your child will be added to the waitlist. Programs require you to answer additional questions. If you see a red bar underneath a school's name in your waitlist tab, this means questions need to be answered. Click on the red bar to answer them. You can also explore waitlist options using the search page. To do this, click the Search tab at the top left of your screen. On the search page, all the schools your child is eligible to attend will appear in alphabetical order. Your child is eligible to attend all programs with the blue circle next to the program name. If you see a red hexagon next to the program name, your child is not eligible to attend that program. You can view additional information about each school by clicking on the school's name. When you do this, you will see additional information like transportation, an overview, performance information, academics, and any activities the school may have. You can also add your child to the waitlist by clicking on the program's name and selecting the blue Join Waitlist button. To confirm that your child has been added to the waitlist, return to the Waitlist tab at the top left of the screen. Here, you'll be able to see that your child is now on the school's waitlist and their position on that waitlist. From the search page, you can also search for schools by entering the school's name in the search bar at the top of the screen. By clicking on the school's name, it'll take you to the school's page where you can review all the information about the school and scroll to the bottom of the page to add your child to the school's waitlist. You do so by clicking on the program name, returning back to the bottom of the page, and clicking the blue Join Waitlist button. Finally, you can use our dynamic filters underneath the search bar to find out which schools have available seats. You do this by clicking the More Filters option and selecting the appropriate filter. If you're looking for a school that has 9th grade seats available, check off that box and click Apply. Now, Myschools will search for all the programs your child is eligible to attend that have ninth grade seats available. This can narrow down your search and provide you with options where your child may be able to receive an offer quickly. If you're no longer interested in being on a waitlist for a program, go to the waitlist page and click the X on the right side of that program's card. It'll give you the option to remove your child from this waitlist. Once you select this option, you will be removed from that waitlist and may not be able to return to your same waitlist position. Once you receive a waitlist offer, you can choose to accept or decline that waitlist offer. Choosing to accept the waitlist offer will replace your child's current offer. In order to accept a waitlist offer, go to the waitlist page and click the Accept option for the program under the Pending Offers section. Here, you'll be prompted to accept an offer. It lets you know that accepting this offer will automatically replace your child's previous offer. Now, you can see that your child's new offer is at the top of the screen, highlighted in blue, and your child's previous offer is now indicated as declined and is grayed out beneath it. We thank you for participating in the Department of Education's admissions process. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to your child's current DOE school or email waitlists@schools.nyc.gov.